In this short demonstration, I'm going to show you the power of saving screeners on the Barchart website. Screeners can be saved with any configuration and filtering that you'd like, and any time that you want, you can go onto the website, run the screener, and see the results. But wouldn't it be nice if Barchart automatically ran a screener for you twice a day and sent the results directly to your inbox for your review? When you save a screener, you can identify whether you want one or two of these automatic emails, how many results you'd like to see in your email, and whether or not you want a CSV of the results attached. By doing this, I will get the most up-to-date data at noon and at the end of the day for specific screener filtering that I've chosen. And again, it allows you a jump start to watch the markets that you are most interested in. Screener emails can also be configured in your Tools menu. Just look for the Screener Emails page.